it's Happymailqueen. I am back to share some new supplies from Creativemojowholesalestudio. I just received my package and I just came back from my walk with my sister. We are trying to get healthy, lose some weight. So we've been walking every day in the evenings so it's not so hot, and it's been a good workout. So let me go ahead and start with, first of all, I have an order that I placed and she sent that to me in a separate package, but I wanted to pick up these little itty bitty teeny tiny bows. Do you guys see that? I didn't realize how teeny tiny they were. So these are great for your shakers. Anyway, they're teeny tiny bows and it comes in these colors, pink, yellow, and white. So love that. They're clay bows, and there you go, there's the price. And then she also I also bought these. Now she sent these on my last design team package and I absolutely love them, and especially the teeny tiny ones. And so I went ahead and just ordered another one. And then these she's also sent to me in the past, but she sent it in one of those kits, those boxes that have a bunch of different sequins, but I wanted some more because these are just so pretty. So I did grab a couple of those, and there's no name on this one, but you can see these are like they're slightly cupped sequins. So love those. So thank you, Ariel. And then here we go with my package right here. So let me go ahead and open this up. The new supplies. Okay, you guys, so we have these super pretty glitter color. Look at that. It's kind of a pinkish purple color, a little more on the pink. And then she has it in purple and blue. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Ooh, I love them. Hope you guys have your subscription so you don't miss out on any of these. These are gorgeous. Super, super fun. And then she sent, so last time she sent the flower not brads. These are eyelets. And this time she sent the hearts. And look how pretty those are, you guys. They are in different colors. There's white, pink, and teal, and also dark. Let me just make sure. I want to take it out of the package just to make sure that I didn't miss any colors. But I believe those are the colors that I mentioned. Yeah, so you have the light pink and the dark pink. Super pretty. Love them. Beautiful colors. And then, oh, yay! So look at these, you guys. There's some, I was even going to buy some of these. But yay, she has these plastic chain. And like I said, people are, some of them are using these to hold your masks. So that's kind of cool, but you could also use them for dangles, of course. So you have it in these pretty colors. I'm going to take them out so you guys can actually see them. The mint. Look how pretty they are. And it's a good size, you guys. The links are almost 1, 2, 3/8 of an inch, maybe. It's almost a ½ an inch long. So how fun is that? Ooh, look at how pretty this is. Very nice. Loving the bright colors. And then though, let me see. Oh, look. They go with these. Or you can use them separately, whichever. But look how pretty these are, you guys. You have the pinks. And that's a pretty pink right there. And I think the ones I got might be darker pink. So yay, I love those. Always love the lighter pink. And then you have, oh, look how pretty this is right here. You have some cabochons, and these are rainbows. Oh my goodness. They have sparkle on them too. They're like glittered. How beautiful are those? Oops. And all you need to do is to put a bail, so you can get those plastic bails. I don't know if Oriel has them in the shop, but you could also look them up on Etsy, or I don't know if they have them on Amazon. But that's all you gotta do. Just put some E6000 or even glossy accents, and there you go. You have a beautiful charm. Those are gorgeous. And then look, you have these are called ribbon clamps or clasp. I don't know if it's called a clasp. It's really like a clamp. But they're for the ribbon ends. And then it has a hole so that you can put your jump ring, and you can create all kinds of stuff. Dangles. Recently I've been making, and other people of course had been making those tassels with these. And but you can make, you know, jewelry. You can use these for jewelry, like bracelets. You know, you just have to add your links. You can do bracelets, you can do necklaces, things like that. And then she sent these jump rings. Are they jump rings? Let me see. Let me just make sure. So these are, they look like split rings. So, but they're super thin, so you don't even need a tool to open them up. But do you guys see that? And this is a good size. What size is this? Is this like 12 inches maybe? I mean, sorry, maybe 12 millimeter. I meant millimeters. I'm not sure, but that's what they look like to me. And then look at these gorgeous cabochons. Ooh, these are so pretty. They look like rainbows. Oh my goodness, look at that. So you get these purple and pink and the teal and the pinks and the orange. Oh my gosh, they look like candy. And of course, you can put bails on these also. You can use them as centers for your flowers, or wow. We'll see what we come up with these, but they're gorgeous. And you get plenty of them. So the clasps also comes in this gold color. So as you can, yes, I'm not going to take it out of the bag, but as you can see, it's just like the silver ones. And again, these are great for jewelry or other. And then look at these. Oh my gosh, I saw her post these somewhere. And oh my gosh, I was dying because these are so pretty. They're like the other bows that she had sent last time, but I think the ones she sent had like polka dots on them, and these are solids. And look how gorgeous these colors are. Oh my gosh, I'm pretty sure they're the same size. So you can take your drill and you can just put holes on the top. And she has a tutorial on that if you want to check out Oriel's channel, Creativemojowholesalestudio. And how pretty are those? Okay, and then she sent these. Oh my goodness, look at these, you guys. They are, I don't think they're resin. It kind of feels plastic maybe, but look how cute. And I'm doing a birthday theme right now, so how cute are those? Oh my goodness. So we'll see if I'm able to use this on my project, but we'll create something fun with these. So I'm going to put that aside right here. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, she has loads of charms. So, and oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I saw these on Alley, and oh my gosh, they are so pretty. Look at them. And I'm loving yellow right now. So how cute. And I love cupcakes, you guys know. I just love cupcakes. And then these are even cuter. Oh my goodness, these are, oh my gosh, I love the colors. So let me just show you. And these are, again, are enamel charms. And look at that. Again, with the bright yellow and the pink and the teal. Ooh, so pretty. So there's 5 of those. And then she has some of these hot air balloons. And she has them in different colors. 2 different colors, I think. The pinks. These here. And then look at these. These are so pretty. They're purple. It has purple in it. Or lavender, I guess you can say. And these are also cupcake charms. Oh, wow. I love it because you guys know I am crazy about charms right now. And look at these. I didn't get cupcake charms yet. I was like looking, and anyway, I don't have to look anymore. Look, I just got some. They come in the teal and the pink. So pretty. These are so fun. And then you have these, and oh my goodness, I was dying when she showed these. Look, they're little umbrellas, and these are, I think they're clay. But look how cute they are. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I love them. And then lastly, it's this thing. And let's take a look what these are. It looks like acetate. And it looks like, oh, okay. They are soft, like, it's very pliable. So they look like little pouches that you can put stuff inside it. So I bet you can put like sequins in things and fill them up. And then I suppose you can stitch it if you wanted to, or you can glue it and even maybe put, what do you call it? Like a nice trim on the bottom. If you don't sew, you know, you can glue it on the bottom. That is so cute, and it already has a little hole there, so it looks like you can make your own little sequins charm. And that's actually a great way to give little sequins, right? A little sequins mix to your pen pal. How cute are those? I've never seen them before. So anyway, that is the new items at Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. I hope you guys get your hands on these. Oh my goodness. Check it out in her shop because they are so cute. Or hopefully you already have yours on the way, or you have it already if you subscribe to her, the kits that she has. So if you are subscribed, yay! So thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.